Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about color, glow and that perfect rosy cheek finish because we are diving into the brand new and latest Blush Babe Powder Blush collection from Mila Beaute. If you are a blush lover or simply are just searching for that one perfect product to elevate your makeup game, then this video is for you. I got my hands on 3 stunning shades from the Blush Babe Powder Blush collection and trust me, they are my new obsession. Whether you're into subtle flush or a bold pop of color, Mila Beaute seems to have something for every skin tone and style. I'll be swatching each shade, showing you all how they feel and apply on the skin, and sharing my honest reviews on their texture and overall performance. So, grab your brushes and get cozy. Let us explore this beautifully curated blush collection and see if the powder blushes actually live up to the hype. But before that, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe if you also love beauty and skincare as much as I do. Now, these are the 3 blushes that I got. We will start with the shade number 01 called Candy Pink. Just look at the packaging. It is so pretty and chic. Just look at this, so cute. So this is how the product looks. It is super cute and beautiful. This is how the shade is. This is like a Barbie pink color, which is very bright and light pink. Now let us swatch it and see the pigmentation. The blushes have ultra fine buildable pigmentation. So this is how the color looks. It is super pretty. I do like the pigmentation. It is best for like a rosy pink flushed cheeks. Let me know, how do you like the color? Do you vibe with it? Next we will see shade number 02 called Peach Soda. Again, I absolutely love the packaging. Super sleek and chic. Super cute and amazing packaging. Wow, so this is how the blush looks. I absolutely love the color. I personally do like peach color blush on my skin. So now let us swatch it and see how the pigmentation is. So this is how the peach soda shade looks. Absolutely pretty. So this is the last blush, also one of my favorite shades. Shade number 03 and it is called Berry Punch. This has more of a wine red berry color shade than the pink tones, which I absolutely love. Now let's see the color. The product packaging is super cute. See the berry shade. So this is how it looks and I'm so excited to see the pigmentation. It's time to swatch it. So this is how the shade is. I love it. Let me know in the comments below what are your thoughts on the shades. So let us just quickly revise it. So this is how all the blush shades look. So this first one is Candy Pink, this shade. The second or the middle shade is the Peach Soda. And this last and the most darkest shade is Berry Punch. I'm going to use and apply this one. Shade number 03 Berry Punch on my cheeks and will share my honest reviews of the application. So here is my blush and here is my brush. Let us dive in. Wow, the pigmentation is crazy. What do you guys think? It is amazing for a powder blush. It has an amazing texture for a powder blush. Love it. Cream and liquid blushes are obviously very pigmented and blendable, but this powder blush has also won my heart. This blush is really easy to blend. It melts into my skin so seamlessly and does not feel heavy at all. I absolutely love the color and how natural it looks. It does give a natural glow and shine. However, it still gives a very matte finish. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and tell me if you would like to try this shade out too. All these blushes are infused with vitamin E and rosehip oil. Hence, they are perfect skincare infused makeup. I love the matte finish. It is also non-transfer as well. You can see there is absolutely no color on my finger. They are also very long-lasting blushes, hence we do not need a lot of touch-ups as well. Whether you're going for a soft rosy flush or a bold statement cheek, the Blush Babe Powder Blush collection comes in a range of shade to complement every Indian skin tone. So go check out milabeaute.com and explore the Blush Babe Powder Blush collection for yourself and shop your favorite shade now. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried Mila Beaute products before and which blush shade is your favorite out of these three. Do not forget to like and subscribe as it gives us content creators lots of encouragement and motivation for our work. With that being said, please connect with me on Instagram as well and comment below what would you like to see next on my channel. Bye bye. See you all in my next one.